Now let's discuss another question that was asked in GMAT 2010. The question is, a chocolate dealer has to send chocolates of 3 brands to a shopkeeper. All the brands are packed in boxes of same size. The number of boxes to be sent in 96 of brand A. Brand A is 96. 240 of brand B and 336 of brand C. These boxes are to be packed in a cartons of same size, containing equal number of boxes. Each carton should contain boxes of same brand of chocolates. That means we cannot mix the 2 brands in one carton. What could be the minimum number of cartons that the dealer has to send? So just start with brand A. For brand A, we have 96 number of chocolates. We have to send 96 chocolates. So in how many cartons we can pack it? We can pack it in 96 cartons with 1 chocolate each, or we can pack it in 48 cartons with 2 chocolates each, or we can pack it in 24 cartons with 4 chocolates each, and so on. So basically these are the factors of 96. Similarly for B, we have 240 chocolates. This can be packed in 240 cartons with 1 chocolate each, or 120 cartons with 2 chocolate each, and so on. Again, these are the factors of 240. Then for C, we have 336. Again, these can be packed in the factor of 336. And it is given that boxes will be packed in cartons of same size containing equal number of boxes. Equal number of boxes. That means if we are putting 4 chocolates here, then 4 chocolates must be here and 4 chocolates must be here. Equal number of chocolates. What does it mean? We need to find out the HCF of these 3 numbers. These are the factors of 96, factors of 240, factors of 336. So we have to find out HCF of these 3 numbers. HCF of 96, 240 and 336 is 48. Hence we should have 48 chocolates in one carton for minimum number of cartons. So how many cartons we require for A is given by 96 by 48 is equal to 2. So 2 cartons for brand A. For 240 we require 240 divided by 48, that is equal to 5. So we require 5 cartons of B, and 336 brand C we require 336 by 48 or is equal to 7 cartons. So total number of cartons or minimum number of cartons is 2 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 40. So correct answer is option 2. Next question that was asked in CAT 1998. Question is, 3 wheels can complete 60, 36 and 24 revolutions per minute respectively. There is a red spot on each wheel that touches the ground at time 0. So it starts with time 0. After how much time all these spots will simultaneously touch the ground again? So we have 3 wheels. Now for first wheel, it completes 60 revolution in 1 minute or 60 seconds. That means 1 revolution in 60 by 60 or 1 second. That means every second it takes 1 revolution. So every second this red spot will touch the ground for first one. For second one it takes 36 revolution in 60 seconds or 1 minute. Hence for 1 revolution it will take 60 by 36 or 5 by 3 seconds. That means after every 5 by 3 seconds, second wheel will touch the ground. Red spot of the second wheel will touch the ground. Third one, 24 revolutions. 24 revolutions in 60 seconds. Hence 1 revolution in 60 by 24 or 5 by 2 seconds. So now question is, after how much time all these spots simultaneously touch the ground? So it will touch the ground after every 1 second. That means 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second and so on. It will touch the ground after every 5 by 3 seconds. That means 5 by 3 seconds. Next 10 by 3. Then 15 by 3. That is 5 seconds. And so on. And this will 5 by 2. Then 10 by 2 and so on. That means multiples of this, multiples of this and multiples of this. When all three will touch the ground together is the common multiples or lowest common multiple, LCM. So that time is given by LCM of 1, 5 by 3 and 5 by 2. So we need to find out LCM of 1, 5 by 3 and 5 by 2. We all know LCM of fraction is given by LCM of numerators, that is 1, 5, 5 divided by HCF of denominators, that is 1, 3 and 2. So LCM of 1, 5 and 5 is equal to 5 and HCF of 1, 3 and 2 is 1. Hence after 5 seconds all of them will touch the ground again. So answer is option C. Question can be asked कि in 1 hour how many times all three of them will touch the ground. The red spot of all three wheels will touch the ground. A question can be asked कि in 1 hour how many times at least 2 red spots touch the ground or exactly 2 red spots touch the ground. So keeping the concept same, we can solve the question. Next question is from CAT 1998. Question is, number of students who have opted for subjects A, B and C, there are 3 subjects A, B and C, are 60, 84 and 108 respectively. The exam is to be conducted for these students. So these are the number of students and we need to conduct exam for these students such that only the students of same subjects are allowed in one room. So in one room we can have only from the subject A or only from the subject B or only from the subject C. Also the number of students in each room must be same. So number of students in each room must be same. What is the minimum number of rooms that should be arranged to meet all these conditions? So now look at subject A. For subject A we have how many students? 60. So how many rooms required? If we put 60 rooms, then we have to put one student in each room. If we put 30 rooms, then 2 students in each room. If you put 20 rooms, then 3 students in each room. So basically this is the number of rooms required for subject A and these are the factors of 60. Then for subject B we have 84 students. If we arrange 84 rooms, then we have to put 1 student each. If we put 42 rooms, then 2 students each and so on. These are again factors of 84. Then similarly for C it is 108. So if you arrange 108 rooms, then 1 student each. Or if we arrange 54 rooms, that means 2 students each. Now it is given that the number of students in each room must be same. So if we keep 1 student in each room, then 60 room for A, 84 for B or 108 for C. If you put 2 students in each room, then 30 for A, 42 for B and 54 for C. So these are the factors of A, B and C and these are the common factors. What we need to find out? Minimum number of rooms. For minimum number of rooms, we have to maximize the number of students in a room. So maximum number of students means we need to find out highest common factor of these among these numbers. So now we need to find out HCF of these 3 numbers. We know HCF of these 3 numbers 60, 84 and 108 is 12. HCF of these 3 numbers is 12. Hence for A, subject A, if you put 12 students in a room, then how many rooms we require? Is 60 by 12. 5 rooms we require for subject A. For subject B, total 84 students and 12 students in a room, we require 7 rooms. For subject C, 108 students, 12 students in a room, we require 9 rooms. So total number of rooms that we have to arrange is 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21 rooms. So answer is option C. Now we have seen that the concept of this question is similar to that was we have just now discussed, that was asked in GMAT 2010. So the similar type of questions that was asked in CAT 98 in GMAT 2010, they used to repeat the concept of questions. So it's better to practice the previous year questions. Next question is from CAT 1994. The question is, which list number that must be subtracted from 1856 so that the remainder when divided by 7, 12, 16 is 4. That means we need to find out a number n just less than 1856 such that n when divided by 7 gives remainder 4, when divided by 12 gives remainder 4, when divided by 16 gives remainder 4. We all know this is the LCM type 1 question where remainder is constant. Hence any number in the form of k times LCM of 7, 12, 16 and plus the common remainder 4 will satisfy this condition. Or any number in the form of LCM of 7, 12 and 16, that is 336. So any number in the form of 336k plus 4 will satisfy this condition. The reason behind this, for any value of k, this portion is always divisible by 7, 12 and 16. So remainder is always 4. Now we need to find out largest number just less than 1856. To find out that, divide 1856 by 336. We have quotient 5 and remainder is 176. That means if we subtract 176 from 1856, we will get a number that is multiple of 336. So 1856 minus 176 is a number that is in the form of 336k. Then we need to add 4 in that. So the number is 1680. So 1680 and plus 4. So 1684 is the largest number just less than 1856 that is in this format and satisfy all these 3 conditions. Hence what we need to find out, the difference between 1856 and 1684. 1856 and 1684. It is 172. Hence answer is option D. We don't need to calculate this much, just consider here. When we subtract 176 from 1856, we get a number multiple of 336. We need to add 4 in that. Hence the required answer should be 176 minus 4, that is 172. So answer is option D.